What's in the fridge?
Food. Adventure. Adventure. Oh, there's Jello in there.
Oh my god, we should cut some up and take it downstairs.
Jello. It's good.
We should cut some up and take it downstairs.
Jello, really? Jello. Can I get some Jello? Yes, Jello. Wait, shh. Here, put it. We gonna get some Jello. Remember at Halloween party Jello? Yeah. I told my friends in my life laundry was to have a Jello shot before we did. And then we never had one. No one liked the golden life. Okay, then we're getting Jello. Do it already cut up. 1 piece of Jello. 2 pieces of Jello. 3 pieces of Jello. 4 pieces of Jello. 5, 6 pieces of Jello. Oh my gosh. You scared me. Oh my gosh. Jello. We were just getting Jello. Why are you hard? Why are you in the garage at 11? We're just getting Jello. Oh. It does look funny. Already. It does look funny. I know he's gonna do. Let's just say they will Chloe, squish your head. It's still good. No hairs.
I like it when my gel's like not so. I want this. I like it when my gel's like not so hard, but like it's perfect enough. And then like I scoop it up with a spoon and then like suck it all up.
Oh my god. Give me some. I wanted it. We were watching The Wrong Turn. And now we're gonna go watch Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Red camera.
OMG, we're red.
Because it's too tiny.
I see you. Ah. That's bigger.